Science laboratory equipment. Do you know who I am? I am Pipette. Do you recognize me? I am test tube rack. Do I look familiar to you? I am test tube. Have you seen me before? I am Erlenmeyer flask. Do you know who I am? I am beaker. Do you recognize me? I am Bunsen burner. Do I look familiar to you? I am alcohol burner. Have you seen me before? I am syringe. Do you know who I am? I am graduated cylinder. Do you recognize me? I am dropper. Do I look familiar to you? I am tongs. Have you seen me before? I am tuning fork. Do you know who I am? I am stethoscope. Do you recognize me? I am thermometer. Do I look familiar to you? I am friability tester. Have you seen me before? I am pulley. Do you know who I am? I am tape. Do you recognize me? I am barometer. Do I look familiar to you? I am ammeter. Have you seen me before? I am stopwatch. Do you know who I am? I am voltmeter. Do you recognize me? I am protractor. Do I look familiar to you? I am dry cell battery. Have you seen me before? I am magnet. Do you know who I am? I am level. Do you recognize me? I am balance scale. Do I look familiar to you? I am magnifier. Have you seen me before? I am chart. Do you know who I am? I am microscope. Do you recognize me? I am round bottom flask. Do I look familiar to you? I am dissecting set. Have you seen me before? I am telescope. Do you know who I am? I am compass. Do you recognize me? I am microscope slides. Do I look familiar to you? I am safety goggles. Have you seen me before? I am petri dish. Do you know who I am? I am fire extinguisher. Do you recognize me? I am funnel. Do I look familiar to you? I am filter paper. Have you seen me before? I am measuring spoon. Do you know who I am? I am microscope slide cover slips. Do you recognize me? I am pH paper. Do I look familiar to you? I am burette. Have you seen me before? I am wire gauze. Do you know who I am? I am spring scale. Do you recognize me? I am YouTube. Do I look familiar to you? I am circuit board. Have you seen me before? I am incubator. Do you know who I am? I am hand gloves. Do you recognize me? I am weighing scale. Do I look familiar to you? I am caliper. Have you seen me before? I am wash bottle. Do you know who I am? I am microcentrifuge tube. Do you recognize me? I am centrifuge. Do you know who I am? I am stirring rod. Have you seen me before? I am spatula. Did you enjoy learning about these science lab equipment? Explore more exciting videos on our channel and be sure to subscribe for lots more fun. Until next time, see ya!